We're planting plants for the environment, and I'm watering them.
What it started off with as basically just a farm field where there was an old trailer on this property. There was also garbage and debris and noxious weeds like 2 to 3 feet high.
The birds are back, the turtles are back, the beavers are back. It's really special to be part of something that's going to last for a long time.
This Okanagan region, and Kelowna in particular, the population increases and it densifies. These natural spaces are going to become, I think, more and more critical to the quality of life that we have here.
Nature can really lift you up, and it takes you away from the internet and social media, and it gives you a new feeling of other things that are out there.
An oasis like this helps to ground us. It helps to center us. This is a place where people can come when they need solace, when they want to just connect with nature. It's also a place where they can bring their kids and teach their kids.
I think it's just being out in the environment. Life goes by so quickly. Getting a little emotional. It's really just that connection to earth and nature. We get so caught up with things, other activities, but to actually come here and just be part of this.
Thank you for bringing back our pond.
Plant some trees